Hi everyone, today we're making a delightful no-bake mini egg cheesecake, perfect for Easter celebrations. It's creamy, colourful and super easy to prepare. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need: 200 grams of digestive biscuits, 80 grams of unsalted butter melted, 400 grams of full-fat soft cheese, 150 grams of icing sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla bean paste, 400 ml of double cream, and 250 grams of mini eggs or leftover Easter eggs for decorating. Start by crushing the digestive biscuits into fine crumbs. Mix them with the melted butter until well combined. Press the mixture into the base of a 20 cm springform tin lined with baking parchment. Chill in the fridge for 30 minutes to set. Roughly chop half of the mini eggs and set aside. In a bowl, beat the soft cheese, icing sugar and vanilla until just combined. In a separate bowl, whip the double cream to stiff peaks. Gently fold the whipped cream and chopped mini eggs into the cheesecake mixture until well combined. Spoon the cheesecake mixture over the chilled biscuit base, smoothing the top with a palette knife or spatula. Cover and refrigerate overnight to set fully. Once set, carefully remove the cheesecake from the tin. Decorate the top with the remaining whole mini eggs. For an extra festive touch, you can add whipped cream swirls or edible flowers. Here I chose to smash a hollow egg into very small pieces to sprinkle over the top of the cheesecake. Then I added mini eggs to the top of that, as well as rabbit and egg lollies. And there you have it guys, one delicious mini egg cheesecake, all ready for an awesome Easter Sunday. I hope you guys like it, and if you guys follow the recipe, let me know in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to drop a subscribe on my channel. And thank you for watching.